welcome back to a new video. This is Caesar. We are going to be doing an unboxing for the new Absolute Alphas, not only by Gamma but also by StyleCraft. As you guys can see, Gamma, when it comes to their clippers and trimmers, they come out with the three popular colorways, which is the chrome, the gold, and the rose gold. As such, when StyleCraft comes out with any matte black, a pretty much like a royal blue, and a hot pink, which is, I think it's a pretty cool colorway. I kind of like the StyleCraft versions a lot better. It has been a little bit more popular within our industry when it comes to people wanting this colorway instead. And a lot of people ask, is it the same thing? StyleCraft and Gamma are the same thing, literally just like different colorways, like edition. Let's talk about these clippers, guys. Let's unbox them. I'm pretty sure these both come with the same content. There's like one very important thing that is different that a lot of people don't know. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend so far. If you guys are watching football, Ravens all day, baby. We are doing so good. I'm so excited for the Chiefs game tomorrow. Maybe when you guys see this video, it will be Monday, most likely. So I'll probably upload it in the morning sometime or in the afternoon. I'll see. So let's open this Absolute Alpha Gamma Plus one version, and then we'll go from there. So I already took out the clipper. I've already used it. This is how it looks like straight out the box. Personally, in my opinion, I don't like the colorway because I feel like it's just, we've already seen it a lot, you know, this certain colorway. I already feel like I've got burnt out of the gold, to be honest. I'm more of a mall, like all solid, different colors now. So that's why I can't do the chrome. I can't do the rose gold or the gold. I know a lot of you guys like that stuff, but here's what it comes with, those three lids. A lot of people also get confused. It does not come with three clippers. When people message us at Supreme Barber Supply, they're like, can I get the gold one? Can I get the rose gold one? Or can I get the chrome one? That you get all of them, lids, one trimmer, three different lids. And yeah, you can swap out the lids however you guys want. It's pretty easy. All you do is take out those three screws that are right there and slap it back on, put them back on. So those are the three options you guys have right here. It also comes with its premium stand right here. Let me see. It's the same thing, kind of like the hitter, the ergo, same style, you know. They all have the same charger, I believe. Looks the same. It also comes with this cutter, guys. And we'll talk about this cutter right now. So, if you guys did not know, with these clippers, it comes already with the modded Filthy Blends bracket. And if you guys don't know what the Filthy Blends bracket is, essentially what it is, it's a modification where the bracket doesn't only have two holes for the regular blade, which can fit any like wall or any of the Gamma style. I'm pretty sure the Caliber ones fit as well. But it has two additional holes where you can slap on a master's blade. So I think that's pretty insane. It's pretty dope. It's a game changer for sure. Meaning you can use purple and discards. So I think that's pretty epic. It's the first time I've seen something that cool in a while. So why is this blade important? This blade right here is going to be important because if you guys, I'm pretty sure if you use this blade right here, it's probably not going to work as well combined with the master's blade. Like the other clippers as well, guys. I think what's pretty cool is it comes with this, obviously it's oil like standard, like any other clipper trimmer. And the screws right here, the extra screws. You know a lot of us lose screws, so it's very important. Now you don't have to struggle. I know a lot of you guys message me that you guys are always losing screws and stuff. Here is the single magnet guards right here, which I honestly haven't heard people even really use them as much, but I did hear that Gamma's coming out with a magnetic guard system that is super dope, like the Andis ones. It comes with this cable where you guys can charge literally in the freaking car for those of you who are on the go all the damn time, because it does come with two charging ports on the machine, which you can either charge it with its regular cable on the dock as well, or an Android one. One of the cool things that that Gamma kind of pointed out, which is dope, is it still has the hook right here, and it's still, even with the hook, it still fits in its charging stand, like as such. I think that's pretty epic. It's honestly the small things that pretty much win people's choices, you know? It's the small things that make huge impacts at time, and I think that's pretty dope. It comes with its screwdriver as well. I think that's pretty cool. Has a little Gamma words on it, Gamma logo on it. It's warranty, that's important, especially when stuff is new. You pay good money for stuff, so it's always important to get your money's worth. Now, I didn't show you guys a cable because it's charging in the back. Well, it was charging, I just brought it out for this video, but it's the same thing. I'm gonna show you guys in the next unboxing for the StyleCraft version. As you guys can see, this is a different colorway. It's really nice. Oops, drop that real quick. I'm honestly a huge fan of the StyleCraft version colorway. It's just really nice. I like the solid color. It's something different, you know? Look at this beautiful blue. It even has the StyleCraft on the blade. Diamond blade, DLC. And let me show you guys the two other lids, which are freaking dope. I personally like the matte black. I'm a huge fan of matte black, but here's the other colors. I love it. Just like the other version, the Gamma style, same thing. It comes with everything the same, so we're just gonna skip over through a lot. Just what I didn't show you guys on the other one was its original charger, which is this, but I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it so many before on different videos. So it's not really that important, but it is important. All right, guys, so let's talk about the differences now. One of the main differences when these clippers arrived to Supreme Barber Supply, this was probably like the most confused topic that a lot of people didn't know, including myself, because I mean, we just got the damn clippers ourselves, so it's like we got to figure out a few things ourselves. What's the difference between the StyleCraft version of the Alphas versus the Gamma style version of the Alphas? So the biggest thing, guys, both these clippers are pretty much the same thing, all right? Except for obviously you got your version of the different blades, obviously StyleCraft on the right, and then you got this bad boy on the left, the Gamma. But they're both the same all around, except for one huge thing, guys, and that thing is this. If you guys can closely see, you guys will see that one is a floating lever and the other is a click. So basically you guys have to make a decision whether you want the freedom of no clicking, which I honestly made the decision to just go with this because I do like that freedom of just going wherever I want to go with the lever. So I chose the Gamma version. It kind of sucked because I wanted the different lids, like the matte black one, because it looks so sexy. But to be honest, I already had this lid right here that I had bought. We will have soon at Supreme Barber Supply, so it didn't really hurt as much. And plus the ergos, if you guys did not know, those things have the click already, like these bad boys. So I was like, I want to switch it up. I want to have different things. So that is a huge difference, guys. The StyleCraft version, which is this one in my hand, has that click, which a lot of you guys seem to enjoy. I put a poll up on Supreme Barber Supply's post, and like it was like 90 people voted for click and like 30-40 people voted for the other lever. So me personally, I like the freedom, like I said, guys. That's why I chose this one, which is a floating lever. I like to go wherever I want. It's not so bad on the ergos. I can get away with going wherever I want on the ergos while still having a click on it. But with these, with the Alphas, their click seems a little bit more kind of like how you guys picture the Babyliss clippers. They all have a click and you can't go in between those clicks. So for me, I know for a lot of you guys, it might not even be a big deal. Like, okay, it's just a click and all that. But for me personally, I like to go in between the clicks sometimes to erase certain, to get just certain details, you know. Everybody's different. That's just my opinion. That's why I decided to not go with the clicks this time. Because, I don't know. See, like, I like the freedom, like I said, guys. too much click for me. I already have the ergos for that. That's honestly the biggest difference from the StyleCraft version to the Gamma version. Are you gonna want the clicker? Are you gonna want the clicker, or are you gonna want the Freedom? So that's honestly the biggest thing right there, guys. Click, no click. So based off of that, guys, let me know in the comment section, is the click lever a huge, are you guys big on it? I personally don't mind it, but I do mind it. It's kind of like one of those 50-50s, whatever I feel like, you know, pretty much. I've been used to these free levers. Yeah, I've just been used to this for so long, then not the lever, the click lever. I feel like it limits me at times, but to each and their own. Everybody seems to be digging the clicking, and I think that's a great thing. I think it's something different, you know. A lot of beginner barbers and stuff could definitely benefit from the clicker, because I asked the students around at this school, what do they like and why do they like it? They like the click lever because they don't get as lost. So this is definitely a huge thing for you guys. If you guys get lost with the lever and phase and all that stuff, I'd suggest to go click lever wise, and pretty much just so you can know and be more consistent with your guide setting or your line erasing. Let me know what you guys think about this video, or did you guys pick one up? And if you guys didn't pick one up, let me know why didn't you guys pick one up. Were you guys confused? I hope this video pretty much helped a lot of you guys make a great decision on which one you're gonna buy now, because I know I'd be a little confused simply for the fact that I don't know if it's gonna be a click one or what's the difference, or what do they do? What's so cool about them? So I'm gonna be doing a more intensive review on this when it comes down to haircuts and how it performs. So I already started cutting hair with it. That's what I was just doing in the background before I shot this video. And I like them so far. They're not bad. They're not bad at all. So let me know if you guys use them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And let me know what you guys think about my little setup right here. I got these bad boys right here. And of course I slapped on the neon green guards as well. So let me know what you guys think about this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you out in any way, all I ask is if you guys like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And thank you guys always, honestly, for all the support you guys give me, my family, Supreme Barber Supply, and go Ravens. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.